Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and somebody is having trouble spacing these out at an inch and 9/16. I guess left and right and up. It says up and down. I don't understand the 1 and 9/16. But before I ever start a project for that somebody brought in, I do an F4. These are the only two things that are supposed to be on the page. So one of his problem is maybe there's other things on the page that we can't see. So if you select, there's four objects selected right there. They're little bitty, and it might be the way he sent it to me because it was real small what he sent to me. And if you look, that's that's all I could see at first when I first opened it. So what we need to do is go to Windows, Dockers, Objects, and you can see right there. There's our group of three. And first of all, what's the three? And it's like almost like Chinese writing right here. So first of all, let's get rid of the other one. So we can go here, hold down the select the shift key and play all of them and hit delete. Now if we hit F4, we only get what we should be getting. Now another question is, and I don't think it would matter, but it says it's a group of three items. Well, what are the three items? So I'm going to go to group, and ungroup. There's a complete number of copy. There's a complete another copy. So there's three copies. There's 151 51 items in this group, but you had three copies on top of each other. So I think that maybe solved your problem. And then he said he wants it an inch in 9/16. You could do it two ways. First of all, change your duplicate distance to 0, 0. Then we're going to type in 3. Well, we need 4 and 9/16, so I'm going to go 4 space 9/16. Then I'm going to Control D and move it over. Control D, Control D, Control D. Now, same thing going down. Control D, Control D. I'm hoping this answers his question. I don't know. But the other way you could do it, well, there's a macro that would do this too, but inside of Corel, go to Windows, Dockers, and Transform, and go right here to your position. You've got to have an item selected, and this is your X, and this is your Y. So we're going to go. Let's do the. Let's say we don't. Let's say we have 3 plus 1 space 9/16. It's too big. Remember, so I only needed 4. Let's back up here, because remember, whenever Corel says it's a copy, meaning they're going to use the one you got. Then you could select all 3 of these. Instead of retyping this number in, you could select it all, right click and copy it, and then paste it into there and turn this into 0 and hit apply. Now it's going to go up. That's kind of a problem sometimes. So one thing you could do is just put them at the bottom and do that. I was thinking there was a way you could actually make it come down, but that must be the macro that you can do it at. So that's maybe that was what the problem is. I'm hoping so. It's a pretty cool logo. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.